Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Let's talk rocking here on your small barrel.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So rocking in Pilates is a really big back bend, and it's not one that a lot of people can do very well. And it's easy to cheat on the mat and not really get this full long extension. Sometimes it can feel really grippy in your lower back or even in your neck. So I like using the small barrel or the Spine Corrector to really play with my rocking because it can help you find how to move the rock and how to get longer out of your lower back. It just gives a lot of great feedback. If you're watching this video because you have the OnlinePilatesClasses.com barrels flashcard deck, thank you so much for being here. I love hearing how people use those decks, so definitely let me know in the comments below. If you didn't know we have a barrels flashcard deck, now you do. You can go get that deck and our other decks at OnlinePilatesClasses.com. So rocking, typically you would do swan swimming rocking. So you'd actually already be set up, but I will show you how to set up for it. So you start with your belly button being near the apex, and then you figure out where you can lift your legs and then reach your arms forward without falling. So I kind of fell forward. So you just go a little teeny tiny bit back, because if you go too far, then you'll fall the other way. So you would do swan, then swimming, and then from swimming, you find your balance, you bend your knees simultaneously, grab your ankles, point your toes, and hug your knees towards each other. Now I'm really reaching my tailbone down so I can lift my knees up. And then I'm using my legs to tip me forward and my chest to tip me up. And so there's this push-pull going on. I'm not hanging off my shoulder girdle, not locking my elbows, right? I'm lifting my legs up. And then you reach out, find your swimming, and then you lower down and you can get a nice stretch. So you can also do a little cat-cow. So it's not about moving the head to rock forward and back or just shoving the legs. Everything is working together in an even push-pull. And so it's so nice about using the small barrel or the Spine Corrector for your rocking is you really have to work that tailbone away and work that two-way stretch. On the mat, it's super easy to push your lower back in because you're not going to slide anywhere. If I push my lower back too much here, I'm going to lose that opposition. I'm going to slide one way or the other. So it really teaches you how to get lots of length in your extension, which is the important part of Pilates anyways. Lengthen everything. If you have questions about this, feel free to the comments below. I go live every Sunday answering your questions from the comments. So you want to make sure you're subscribed to this channel and you hit the notifications button so you don't miss when I'm answering your question. If you're an OnlinePilatesClass.com member, you can ask questions in our members only community. If you'd like to feel what it's like to be an OPC member, go to OnlinePilatesClass.com/YouTube. Have an amazing day.